Famed academic and political commentator Professor Ibo Mandaza has urged opposition leader Nelson Chamisa to provide a detailed explanation regarding his actions before, during and after the August 2023 elections. Mandaza's statement comes amid swirling rumors about Chamisa's conduct, which have led to widespread speculation and confusion among his supporters. Chamisa, who garnered over 2 million votes in the election, has been accused of duplicity, leading to a loss of confidence among his support base. Mandaza emphasized that Chamisa owes it to the Zimbabwean people, particularly his voters, to provide a clear narrative and restore trust. However, shortly after making this statement, Professor Mandaza faced serious backlash from some quarters, with many taking to social media to criticize his comments. Here are some of the comments that followed his statement. "You mean Chamisa, who resigned from politics, must explain himself as a private citizen when the party has new leadership? As someone who voted for Chamisa, I don't need any explanation. I trust him. He should raise those who declared themselves new leaders must run the party. This Igbo guy is looking for relevance. Just yesterday, he was preaching lies about Sadiq, a controversial figure. This one lies a lot. You lie with a straight face. Mukwambo, this is our Zimbabwean problem. When he was active, people were blaming him even for sneezing. He pulls out to allow those with the superior ideas and political prowess they were stating in heaps of analysis. Mind your business. Chamisa knows what he's doing. True, great and loyal Zimbabweans know that he's doing what he's doing. True, great and loyal Zimbabweans know what he's doing. Stop singing for your supper." So these are some of the comments that follow the statement from Professor Ibo Mandaza.